now?
Yes, I can hear you. He was being very.
The judge had a family emergency during the break before this case was called. The defendant was complaining it was taking too long. The judge does not respond well to complaining.
Hello, sir.
I need a camera.
I've tried to turn it on. I don't know how. Things have
Well,
changed.
it seems that you were upset about having to wait, so now we have to wait until you can turn your camera on.
Can you see me now?
Amazing how that works.
Yeah, it just gave me an option, sir.
Your Honor, I think review probation's recommendation regarding the violation. We do ask that you adopt her recommendation. Mr. Stanley and I, the conversation about the recent week, he says he's going to work on that as soon as possible. He is going to provide Ms. Blair with his work authorization or work proof. And again, we ask that you adopt that recommendation today. And we did talk about the wait. He is very concerned because he's at work right now.
I'm sorry that my life happened to have emergencies. I'm on the bench every day. And if you think for him, I'm going to leave my daughter out on the side of a highway, not going to happen.
I'm sorry, sir. I totally understand it. I had a friend of myself. I had a friend of myself commit suicide this morning. I've had a very difficult morning, and I'm.
Ms. Valera, what did you want to tell the court?
Your Honor, I just wanted to provide to the court that Mr. Stanley is in violation of the terms that was ordered by the court. Probation would ask that the court give Mr. Stanley a chance to complete probation terms, and is recommending that he serve 3 days in jail, credit for the 3 days that he served, that the balance of his $975 be paid by the application of his bond that he posted, that the court extend the prosecutor deferred for a period of 9 months, that he report to probation tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. in person, then as directed, that he become compliant with all previously ordered terms of this court within 30 days, with the final review hearing February 12, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Sir, anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
I agreed to give over the bond money to pay for the fines. That was the money I was saving up. I'm sorry that I failed to comply with the fingerprints and the outpatient therapy and everything else. I want to keep my job and not go to jail and lose it possibly.
Sentence of the court, 3 days Washington County Jail, credit for the 3 days that he served for the violations to date. He's to pay $975 or $975 balance today. I will apply the bond, which will account for 900 of that. The balance has to be paid today. I will extend his prosecutor deferred sentence for a period of 9 months. I'll order that the defendant is to report to probation on Thursday, May 9th at 11:30 a.m. in person, and then report as directed. He is to become compliant with all previous ordered terms within 30 days. I will schedule a final review hearing on February 12th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Sir, is there any way that I can show up tomorrow to pay the remainder?
Fine. Pay it tomorrow.
All right, thank you, sir.
Are we done? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I think I would call it a win and not ask any more questions. Moral of the story is to take care of these things before the judge has to decide what extra punishment to offer. You never know what mood you are walking into.